Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Cancer, this is your current energy, 10 of Cups, okay? You are feeling blessed. You are feeling, you are feeling on top of the world. Oh my God. Oh my God. Your partner's current energy is 4 of Wands. Okay. What's cooking here, Cancer? Okay. So we have 10 of Cups. Cancer, this is your current energy. With this card, I feel that most of you guys, most of you people must be feeling blessed, must be feeling prosperous, must be feeling really happy, okay, in life. Perhaps you guys are, living the best time of your life right now, okay. You feel gratitude towards God. You feel humbleness, okay. You feel a lot of emotions within your life, okay. This card is a card of happiness, abundance, prosperity, okay. You feel happy, you feel complete, okay. Perhaps something is going on in your life, Cancer, that particular thing has making you feel complete, okay. You feel that, okay, this particular person or this particular situation or this particular moment is making me complete, okay. So there is a sense of fulfillment within you, Cancerian, right now, okay. Now this is your partner's current energy, 4 of Wands. uh Cancer people, I feel your person wants to celebrate something with you, okay. They are planning to celebrate something with you, and I'm seeing a very huge and very big, celebration, okay, with this card, 4 of Wands card. You must also remember this thing, that this card is 11 card, okay. This card has angelic meaning also. That means your person is manifesting about you. Your person is asking you from the universe, okay. Your person, or perhaps your person must be manifesting about your and their future relationship, okay. Perhaps they want to propose you. They want to come towards you with a marriage proposal, okay. So something is happening, okay, within them, okay. So this is their energy. They must be feeling blessed to have you, okay. They must be feeling happy to have you. They must be planning to offer you something big in this relationship, okay. They must be planning to give you a marriage proposal, okay. Some kind of a solid commitment I'm seeing from their end, okay. Okay, now let's see how you feel about your person and how they feel about you. How Cancer people feel about their person. Oh, 10 of Wands. Oh my God. Oh my God. 10 of Wands, Cancer. So you feel about your person as somebody, they are, with this card, I feel that you think about them, that they are the one who has lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, okay. This person is like really sick and tired, okay. This person is like overburdened, okay. um I feel, sometimes Cancerian people, you feel that your person has a lot of responsibilities, okay. They are the one who is the answerable person within their family, okay, who is the most responsible person in their family, and that feeling makes them really sick and tired at some point of time, okay, because this person has holding, I mean, this person is holding a lot of wands in their hand. So it's like so I mean, they are like so feeling overburdened at some point of time, okay? That's what you feel about them, Cancer people. Three of Swords. What's why this card is here? Three of Swords. Cancer people, I feel that your person feels about you that at some point of time you know the reality. At some point of time, no matter how happy you feel with this person company, or how happy you feel with this person, but at some point of time you feel heartbroken, okay? That's what they feel about you, okay? They feel about you that you are heartbroken, and it could be for any reason. Let's clarify why this Three of Swords is here. Ten of Pentacles. Okay, Cancer people, your person feels about you that you are somebody who has everything in life, okay? Be it emotions, be it material things, be it family, friends, loved ones, okay? You must have your own home, you must have pets at your home, you must have kids in your home, okay? Perhaps you are the one who is genuinely blessed with all the things in life, okay? Be it emotional, be it financial, okay? But at some point of time, when it comes to emotion things, your person feels about you, Cancer, that I mean, something is there which is bothering you, or which bothers you a lot, and that thing really breaks your heart, okay? Even though you have everything in life, but at some point of time you feel heartbroken, okay? Not because of your person, okay? But there could be some other reasons behind this heartbroken, or for this Three of Swords card, okay? um yes, that's what I'm seeing with this card. Even though you have everything, your person knows that you have everything. You are blessed soul, okay? You have everything in life, be it emotional, uh be it on emotional level, or be it on mental level, be it on financial level, be it on materialistic things. I mean, you have everything in life, but at some point of time you feel heartbroken, okay, about certain situations in your life, okay? That's how your person feels about you, Cancer. Now let's see how they see you and how you see them. How you see them. Oh, Page of Cups, and how they see you. Mm-mm. Page of Cups. You feel, I mean, you see them as somebody who is a completely a new person in your life, Cancer, okay? This person is offering you something. This person is giving you something. This person is completely a new energy in your life, Cancer, okay? With this Page of Cups card, you see them as somebody who can give you a solid commitment, a solid relationship, okay, in life, or in terms of love and emotion, okay? And you also see them that they have something to offer you, okay? They are not the one who is giving you fake promises or something like that. So you believe in them, at some point of time you genuinely believes in them, that this person, if this person is saying this thing to me, so they are not lying to me, okay? They are genuine. They are at least they are genuine with you, okay? So you feel them, they are offering you some emotional connection, okay? Some emotional thing. I mean, some emotions they are offering to you, okay, Cancer. um yeah. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who is very insecure, insecure in a good manner, not in a bad manner. Okay, they see you as somebody who just want to hold their emotions, who don't want to uh, I mean, you are being somebody who has emotions within your heart and mind, but at some point of time you just want to hold your emotions. Okay, you don't want to give, or you don't want to pretend that hey, I also have some emotions for you. You are just trying to play safe, Cancer people. Okay, you're playing safe, Cancer. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, perhaps you don't want to lose this person as well. Okay, with this card I'm seeing that you don't want to lose this person, but you are also the one who does not want to open your heart in front of your person. I mean, there must be so many things within your heart which you wanted to share with them, but you are afraid to share it with them. It could be anything, Cancer. It could be anything. So, with this Four of Pentacles card, you are being insecure about something, okay? Perhaps you don't want to lose your person. Perhaps you don't want to lose your dignity, okay? That, hey, if I am going to confront my emotions in front of you, so please don't, you are nobody to take me for granted or something like that. So you are being protective. You are just you are being insecure. I'm seeing you as somebody who is being protective towards your own self. I mean, you're protecting your own energies, your own heart, your own mind, your own emotions. Okay. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Oh, oh. King of Cups and the Devil. With this card, King of Cups, you feel about this relationship as I said in the beginning of this reading, Cancer people, you are feeling blessed. Okay, you are feeling complete. Okay, this could be due to any reason. Okay, it could, I mean, perhaps this is your person who is making you who has made you feel fulfilled. Okay, so some anything could be happened. Okay, with this King of Cups, you feel about this relationship as something which has filled your heart with emotions. Okay, with genuine emotions, love and care. Okay, you feel like a king. Okay, it doesn't matter you are boy or a girl or male or a female. Okay, you feel like a king in this relationship. You feel like valued in this relationship. You feel like, yes, I am worthy of something. Okay, you feel that, yes, I also deserve happiness. Yes, I also deserve love. Yes, I also deserve uh, affection. Okay, so this person or this relationship has made you realize that, yes, hey, Cancer, you are also, something in life. Okay, you are also a well deserving person who should have this best relationship in your life. Okay. Okay, but on the other hand, with this Devil card, your person is seeing this relationship as an addiction as in as in good way. Okay, your person feels really, really, really connected to you. Okay, they are like so much obsessed about you. They always think about you, they always talk about you, they always they always talk with you. Okay, just they don't want to ignore you at any point of time. They are like completely into you. They are like so obsessed with you, so obsessed with your energy, so obsessed with your loving and kind heart. Okay, they are completely into you, Cancerian people. That's what I'm seeing with this Devil card. Okay, they must be working on their own life also, but you are the one who always into their heart and mind 24/7. They are like so obsessed. Mm-hmm, that's good, that's good. Now let's see what's going to be the future potential. Sorry. So we have 8 of Swords. Why this 8 of Swords is here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the major arcana card, Cancer people. Okay, this is going to be you, Cancer. There are so many doubts within your heart and mind. There are so many insecurities within your heart and mind. Okay, you must be feeling, at some point of time, you must be feeling, oh my god, am I really worthy of this relationship? Is it true? Is this person is true, or this or that, or blah or blah or blah? So you must be, going through so many ups and downs in your life. Okay, ups and downs in your emotions. At some point of time you trust your person, at some point of time you feel that no, I think I should not trust this person. Okay, so you will be, like, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, in this energy, okay, in future. But I don't know. I mean, I don't believe in this card because I have this card, Lover's card. Cancer people, I feel that you guys are dealing with Gemini. We have Gemini in this reading with this Lover's card, and Capricorn too in this reading with this Devil card. I'll tell you all the signs later. Okay, Lovers. The future potential is Lovers. Mutual love, mutual emotion, mutual affection, mutual connection, mutual attachment, mutual respect, mutual soul connection. I would say this person is your soulmate, Cancer people. This is the person with whom you would like to spend rest of your life. Okay, perhaps, I mean, I should not use this word perhaps, but yes, evidently they also want to be with you always. They also want to be around you. Okay, they want you in their life. Okay, it's not a one-sided relationship. It is a mutual relationship. It is a mutual love. Okay, it is a divine connection. That's what I'm feeling. That's what I see with this card. It's a divine connection. Okay, angels are blessing you. Okay, angels are giving you a lot of blessings in this relationship. Okay, I mean, when this card has came, I have nothing to say. Okay, apart from this thing that this is the divine connection. Okay, this guy is your soulmate. This person is your soulmate, Cancer people. Okay, let's see what angels are trying to tell you. Let's take angel messages for you. Within the next few weeks, what's going to happen in your life? Something is about to change in your life within the next few weeks, Cancer people. Be ready for the change. Okay, perhaps they can come down to meet you. Perhaps they can, propose you. Perhaps they can give you a solid commitment. Perhaps they can offer you something. Perhaps they can do something very special for you. Okay, so anything could be happen, Cancer people, in future. So whatever is, I mean, something is definitely going to happen for you in coming time. Okay, within the next few weeks you are definitely going to see some new changes, some new developments in this relationship. Okay, so Cancer people, I feel that some of you guys are dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. We have Capricorn in this reading with this Devil card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 10 of Cups, Page of Cups, King of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 8 of Swords, 3 of Swords. Okay, we have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 10 of Wands and 4 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 4 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. Right? Okay. So Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.